Hello everyone, I'm Bob Martin and welcome to Cleaning Tips, Tricks, and Testimonials, brought to you by Services Etc. Carpet Upholstery Cleaning, proudly serving Northeast Pennsylvania, the Pocono Mountains, and surrounding communities since 1990. In this video, I'm going to address some common household items that consumers can use for effective carpet spot cleaning in an emergency and when professional help is not available. After this recent holiday season, I returned to our office and discovered 3 messages from customers who needed our help because they experienced accidents on their carpet and furniture. Of course, accidents don't have a sense of timing, but somehow they happen at the most inconvenient time, usually when everyone is closed for the holiday and it's also a weekend. The 3 accidents couldn't be farther apart in nature, as one was from a child vomiting, another child urinated on the sofa, and there was the ever-classic wine spill. While trying to return the calls, we were contacted by a local furniture store concerning some wet and rusty skid marks left in a carpet by their delivery men. The common element in each was, what can the homeowner or tenant do until help can arrive? While looking at the problems individually, a professional carpet cleaner understands that each situation presents a unique challenge. Urine starts out with an acidic pH and turns to an alkaline state after about 12 hours. Vomit may contain stronger acid than urine, and the dietary habits of the sick person need be considered also. Wine contains tannins, which are described as any group of pale yellow to light brown amorphous substances in the form of powder, flakes, or a spongy mass widely distributed in plants. Rust is a reaction between oxygen and iron in the presence of moisture. However, there are some common tricks and tips that can be employed by the consumer to help them survive the disaster at hand. Without understanding chemistry, there are a few items that can be used effectively to clean up most spots and spills without causing further damage. The items at the top of my list would be a few absorbent white towels, a metal spoon, a clean spray bottle, and a calm head. Keeping calm and remembering a few basic rules will greatly improve your chances of success. Those rules would be as follows. Number 1. When using any spot cleaning product, always pre-test the solution in an inconspicuous area, such as the corner of a closet, first, to prevent causing further damage. In the corresponding video, you can see the damage caused to this gorgeous wool rug. This is why pre-testing your solution is always important. Number 2. Use the rounded edge of a spoon or something dull to gently scrape and remove as much solid matter from the area as possible first. Always work on a spot starting from the outside edge, moving inward to prevent making the spot larger. Number 3. Use clean, white, absorbent towels to blot up excess moisture and contamination. Always blot and never rub, as rubbing can cause permanent distortions and leave unsightly friction burns in the face yarns of the carpet. Number 4. Using a mild dilution of laundry detergent or degreasing dish soap will give you the power of both water-based and solvent-based cleaning agents. For heavier grease and oil spots, denatured alcohol can be blotted onto a towel and then the carpet. Number 5. When finishing up your spot cleaning, take a spray bottle with some cool water and rinse any residue from the spot. Using cool water is best to use, as warm or hot water can permanently set stains. Blot the area dry with a white towel. Use a hair comb to gently groom the pile of the carpet. These 5 steps can help you remove your emergency spots safely and effectively, or at least get you started while you wait for the professionals to show up. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and check back periodically for cleaning tips, tricks, and testimonials. I'm Bob Martin from Services Etc. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning, and thanks for watching our video.